What is up, you guys? Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to subscribe to someone on OnlyFans. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first go to your browser and open up onlyfans.com website and go through the login process. You need to be logged in order to subscribe to someone. And then you can scroll down your feed and here you see some people, and all you're gonna know about onlyfans.com is that subscription for some people is free, like for that girls, and for some people it costs some money. So if you don't want to spend money, tap on free people, and now you can subscribe on that person. And now you can subscribe for that person. Just scroll down for a bit and here you'll find subscribe function, and it's free for you now, so tap there. And keep remember that subscription option is available when you add payment card to your profile. I hope this video helped you out, so let me know in the comments below if that is worked for you.